Hey guys, Coach 𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐴 here. In today's video, I wanted to talk about Infinity Processing System, and I wanted to talk about why you should promote Infinity Processing System. So if you don't know, Infinity Processing System is a home-based affiliate marketing opportunity where you can earn $300 commissions, $150, and $50 commissions by promoting the packages that are digital packages within Infinity Processing System. Now, here's why I would recommend that you promote it, and here's why I promote it. I've made at this point almost actually more than $3,000 passively by with the Infinity Processing System. Here's why I would recommend it to promote. Okay, a lot of times when people come online, they want to make money online. In order to make money online, you need something to promote. Okay, you need a product. Okay. What a lot of people instantly do is they go and find some matrix, some 4x4, some make money online opportunity. So while Infinity Processing System is a make money, it has a reseller opportunity tied to it. What the core product is a digital training platform. Okay, so that is an in-demand product. It's one of the top searches is how to make money online and how to be a better affiliate marketer. Okay, and that is the exact problem that Infinity Processing System solves. It teaches people who want to learn how to make money online, leveraging free platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all the things like that. How do you do that? It gives you the strategy. That's what the core product is. Second thing is it allows you to earn good commissions. $300 and $150 commissions, that's good money when you're earning those. Okay, and it's going to show you it's not theory. So in Infinity Processing System, you have a multiple six-figure earner who's breaking down her strategies of how she's done that, and she has turned it into packages, okay, that you now have the opportunity to be a reseller of it. So if you're looking for a product that you can not only learn from yourself, so that you can learn the skill sets of making money online, and again, follow me, the people who learn skill sets of how to create sales funnels, how to use YouTube, how to use Facebook, things like that. Those are the people who make money online versus how fast can I make my first $300 or $150. Those people never really learn the skill sets, so they never make money. But the people who are serious about learning those skill sets, they make money. And that's why Infinity Processing System has so many success stories, is because Infinity Processing System is not selling a make money online opportunity. It's selling the skill sets that are in the product packages and saying, and once you learn them and apply them yourself to your own business, you have the opportunity to resell that package or to be an affiliate of that package. And that's the difference. Okay, so that's why I would recommend that people promote it. Good commissions, a product you could be proud of, and a product that you can learn from. Okay, and those are skill sets for a lifetime, not just a skill set that you learned enough to promote Infinity Processing System, but a skill set that you can move on. You could promote anything. You could create your own brand. You could go market for other companies. You could go on Upwork and sell your skill sets of creating funnels for other businesses and creating a whole new income stream, all from the skill sets that you learn in Infinity Processing System. So if you're ready to earn $300, $150 commissions, and you want to learn those skill sets so that you could be a better affiliate marketer, so that you can earn commissions on a regular basis from your efforts, you're ready to, for the next 90 days, build those skill sets and then start creating consistent income. If that's you, beneath this video, enter your best email. Go ahead, watch the whole presentation. If you're ready to get started, position yourself, reach out. I do give my best strategies to people who partner with me and at the $300 and $150 level. And that's that. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.